It was cold, you hid your hands inside your sleeve. And as we walked, I heard the laughter in the leaves. I see the shadows lying now where once we stood, and I would lie down with them if I only could. Music came to me, it came across the sound, and how you laughed and shone and danced a circle round. But as we walked away, I saw a shadow on the ground. There were stones inside my pockets that we found. When I was younger, I heard angels on the roof, 1,000 voices singing, each note was the truth. And all the wires and light, I have left them in my youth, and I have only just my memory for proof. See a doorway open on a darkened room, while in the garden thread lies broken on the loom. I see a face, it's smiling, flicker on the wall, and in the distance mountains waiting for the fall. See these knots around my hands, around my feet. They would take me down my end for me to meet. And I grow weary of this struggle and this fight. The morning's so far off from out here in the night. The night is cold, that you must leave me, this I know, and empty all the places where we used to go. Before I knew you, I went climbing in the snow, and called your name out to the darkness down below.
hurt you. It's pretty important to me, you know.